A lot of people have asked me what broker to use when it comes to trading. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that can help you to choose a great broker for trading. But make sure that you stay right until the end, because I'm going to share with you a few bonus tips that will help you in addition to the 5 ways to help you to choose a broker for trading. Firstly, let's start with the spread. For those of you who might be confused, let me just clarify that the spread is the difference between the sell price and the buy price. So why is this important? Well, different brokers have different spreads available, and this can have a huge impact on your trading. Generally, the smaller or tighter the spread, the better, especially if your preferred style is scalping or day trading. Now, there are quite a few brokers that offer different options when it comes to your trading account. So some brokers offer what is often called or referred to as a raw spreads account. And that basically means that the spreads are really small, they're really tight. If not, there is no spread at all. So there's very little difference between the sell price and the buy price. But with this option, there is generally a commission fee to pay. The other option that brokers can offer is a standard account, which usually has larger spreads, but it will be free to take trades, so you won't actually pay a trade commission price. Now that's because for brokers that offer a larger spread, they usually take their profit out of the difference in the spread for every trade that you take. So if you predominantly swing trade, if you're holding positions for a longer period of time, you may be quite happy with a standard account to avoid paying commissions, and you might be comfortable with larger spreads. Whereas if your preferred trading style is scalping or day trading, you'll probably benefit from having an account, a raw spread account or a traded account that has really tight spreads. And whilst we're on the topic of spreads, here is a live example for you guys. I was in a trade in Euro Australian dollar, and this is what happened. So looking at the chart here, I'm sure that your immediate response is, cool, nice winning trade. That's what I thought when I loaded up my chart the next day. However, even though price action came and tapped my hard take profit order, which was set at this point here, the spread was too large on my broker that it ended up being a couple of pips away from actually triggering my take profit order. As a result, for this trade, price came back down to my break-even stop, and I didn't actually win or lose anything for this trade. So this just goes to show how having tighter spreads can be a real benefit when it comes to trading. And my second tip for identifying a great broker is to make sure that they are regulated. What is a regulated broker? Well, this is where there is a regulated group of people or organization that is monitoring the broker, basically ensuring that the broker cannot take your money and run away and hide. Here in the UK, regulated brokers are usually regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Now, there isn't any such thing as an international regulated company, but different countries offer their own process for regulating brokers, and it's always great to check a broker to make sure that your account is going to be protected by a regulated broker. Regulated brokers can help to give you a sense of security and peace of mind when it comes to transferring your money to your broker. You can always check to see whether a broker is regulated, because they will usually have some sort of reference on their website and list the regulated companies that actually monitor them. Thirdly, it is always good to check the trading platform that a broker has available. More often than not, brokers will have their own company website where you can log in and trade from their personal platform. But they can also offer integrations with different softwares such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and CTrader. And these softwares are used by many different brokers. They are white label software. And I personally like to use MetaTrader 4 for my trading. So I always check to see that there is a MetaTrader 4 software option available with my broker. Another great option to check and research when you are going with your broker is the fees, which can vary depending on which broker you go with. So for example, different brokers might charge different fees for trading. So they may charge a commission, or they may even charge swap fees, which is generally for overnight positions. It's worth checking to see whether a broker will charge any fees for depositing money into your trading account. and also to see whether they will charge any additional fees for when you want to withdraw your money from your trading account. Finally, some brokers do charge inactivity fees, so if you find that you haven't traded for a while, you might get charged, so it's always good to check the small print. This point may sometimes be overlooked, but there may be one day when you are trading and suddenly your account loses connection. You check your internet and you are still connected to the internet, so it is an issue on your broker side. And this is when having good customer service with your broker can really be a lifesaver for your trading account. The ability to contact your broker and get support over the telephone can be critical, which is why it's very good practice to check how accessible your broker is, what their customer service is like before you commit to signing up with them. For me personally, I prefer to have a broker that has an office based in my country and has a telephone number that I can use to contact them if I ever need their support. So there are the 5 main ways to help you to choose a great broker for trading. As I said at the beginning of the video, I do have a few bonus tips for you which I will share now. Firstly, leverage. It's always great to check the buying power that a broker has available because some may offer higher leverage than others. Markets. Some brokers might only allow you to trade certain markets, so it can be good to have a wide range of markets available if you like to experiment with your trading style, such as being able to trade Forex, commodities, metals, and indices. Spread betting. If you're from the UK, then spread betting might be a tempting option for you because with spread betting you can get some additional perks such as being able to trade without having to pay for taxes. Now, I'm not an accountant, so it's always good to check out this information, but it can be useful to have a broker that offers spread betting accounts in addition to CFDs. A trading demo. Now this can be really useful if you are a beginner or if you are trying out some new strategies. It can be useful to choose a broker that also offers you access to a free demo. And finally, some tuition. If you're new to the world of trading, there are some brokers that offer some really useful videos sharing trading tips and general help and tuition which may be of benefit to you. And a few subscribers have been asking what broker I use. I started trading Forex just over a year ago with the broker Oanda because they're based in the UK, they're regulated, they had free trading with very few fees, and they had a free demo, so they ticked a lot of boxes for me. However, I am currently considering switching to a different broker that has tighter spreads and some other benefits to suit my trading style now as I have evolved. So I'll keep you updated on this, and I might share a future video of setting up a new broker account. So if you're interested in that, make sure you're subscribed to the account below, and if you've enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!